Hi you guys. I'm just gonna jump into this because we need to get it together. Okay, so my hair, we're gonna start off with my hair. My hair, it just needs some life. I had it in a bun the other day and it stretched out. I wore it in a bun yesterday, so it just needs some life. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna shampoo it, I'm gonna deep condition it, blow dry it, straighten it, the whole 9. And I usually do this on wash day. And then my hair, after blow drying and washing, it lasts me about 5 to 7 days. So I like to do my wash day routine a few days before I'm gonna style it, just because my hair styles a lot better like day 2, day 3. Today I'm using the Herbal Essences Tea Tree Clarifying Shampoo and Conditioner. So I use clarifying shampoos. I don't know if I've ever told you guys this, but I like to use clarifying shampoos about once a week. The reason I use a clarifying one is because it helps with any buildup that I have on my scalp. By the way, this is from my hair straightener. Yes. But I like to use a clarifying shampoo once a week to really clean out my hair. And like I said, my hair usually lasts me blow dried and straightened about a week. I don't have a lot of buildup, but I do have a lot of hairspray in my hair. I don't know if you can see that, but my hair is like really stiff up here. My hair just needs some TLC, and we're gonna do just that. Both the Herbal Essences Tea Tree Oil Shampoo and Conditioner help with weightless volume. It helps to remove any buildup and residue, leaving your hair super clean. Along with that, it has their infamous scent. Their scents linger, at least from what I've experienced, they linger up until the next time that you wash it. This line in particular is infused with tea tree essences and minty citrus. Along with that, they're dermatologist tested, color safe, 0% mineral oil, pH balanced, and silicone free. A lot of good stuff. I'll have a link down below for you guys to check out Herbal Essences and their tea tree oil shampoo and conditioner. Headed out right now to go and get my Brazilian laser hair removal. I think I was supposed to go that way. Great. I was. Anyways, so I'm gonna go get my Brazilian lasered, and this is the second session at the place that I'm going to, which again I'll have their information down below. I'll put like all the info for where I'm going and all that in the description. But I hate when I miss the exits and stuff. I hate when I miss exits and I'm in a rush and I'm like running late. Hopefully it's not too bad of a drive because I'm actually like an hour away. I should probably call and see if it's okay, because if not, I would rather not have to drive all the way out there if I don't have to. So I'm gonna call right now. Hopefully it'll be fine.
To make a new appointment or to make changes to an existing appointment, please press 2. If you are running late and have an appointment conflict, please press 3. If you have any other...
I don't know how, but I ended up making my appointment on time. Like, literally, I'm 2 minutes early. That was quick. I was in and out just like that. I really didn't record much in there just because I was doing my Brazilian and obviously I can't really record that. I did do my underarms and my happy trail, which I used to do at home. I use my at-home device, but I was already there. I was like, let me just start doing it again. And the difference, okay? Like, it is a big difference as far as like how the laser feels. It feels similar, but it's not the same. Like, my skin was a lot more sensitive to the one I did today. I think I'm gonna start just doing it back up again, since I'm already going in to do my Brazilian, and then I can just touch up at home whenever I need to. But geez, I was like, I'm on the road again, headed out to do my lashes. So here's how they look. They look sparse, and I just need a fill. My skin is starting to do a little bit better. All of these like flattened out after I gave myself my little at-home facial. So I think by the time like my birthday comes, it'll be like nice and clear. Plus, it was that time of the month for me, and usually I always break out like that. But it's clearing up, and I just have like little red spots. But that's the next thing we're doing, is filling in these lashes. Here's how the lashes look. They look good. They're like natural, still kind of fluffy. I like them. Here's how my nails look before. Not bad, especially from far. They still look pretty good, but I do need a cleanup. They're not actually grown out. I just want to get a full set. And I like the way my natural nails look on their own, but sometimes it's nice to just cut them down and get a nice full set. And I'm gonna try a new shape today too, so hopefully I end up liking it. Today is the last day of my birthday prep, and as you guys saw in the beginning, I had a wash day, but I didn't end up blow drying and straightening out my hair, just because I ended up doing a lot throughout the week. So I was like, let me just wait more towards the end of the week, and I can just kind of have it ready for the weekend and for my birthday. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. And I'm going to be using the Herbal Essences Tea Tree Shampoo and Conditioner again. Now that I did use it though, I feel like I can kind of give you guys a little bit more insight on like how I liked it, the smell, how it worked on my hair. But I am going to use that again just one more time. I did end up really liking how it worked on my hair. I just didn't have the time or the chance to actually go through the whole process of blow drying and straightening. So I'm actually gonna hop in the shower right now, blow dry and straighten out my hair, and I feel like that's gonna make like the biggest difference, because I feel like throughout this vlog it's like little snippets of like me doing my self-care, but it doesn't really come together until like the end. So let me go and get this hair ready. that is everything I did to prep for my birthday as far as self-care. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Here is the final look of my hair too. It looks really silky. I passed the straightener through it and it feels really like lightweight and it smells good. One of the things about the shampoo and conditioner is the scent just really lasts a long time, but I feel good. I feel refreshed. My skin is doing a little bit better. My brows still look really good even though I did them more so towards the beginning of the week. And then my lashes too. So now I just need to pop on some makeup, put on my outfit, and I'll be ready to go for my birthday. But big shout out to Herbal Essences for sponsoring my birthday prep video, and thank you to all of you guys for watching. I will have links for like products and also for like the places I went to do my brows, my lashes, and all of that, as well as a link to the Herbal Essences tea tree oil shampoo and conditioner. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I love y'all, los quiero mucho, and I'll see you all in my next video.